Now we have completed studying the 28 letters which the Arabic alphabet includes. They are Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, Ya. These are the 20 letters in order. And as you notice here, the similar letters are together. Here, for example, Alif comes in the beginning, then Ba, Ta, and Tha. Here, they have the same shape. 1 dot below, 2 dots above, 3 dots above. Noon can look like them when it is in the middle or when it's in the beginning. But when it is separate, it goes deeper. Or when it comes at the end, it goes deeper. Yes. Then, and also, yeah, also when it is in the beginning or in the middle, it can look like them when they are in the beginning or in the middle. Then Jim and Ha and Kha. They have the same shape, but here in Jim there is 1 dot below, and in Ha no dot, and in Kha dot above. Then Dal and Dhal, there is 1 dot here on Dhal. Then Ra and Zay, 1 dot. Sin and Sheen, the Sheen has 3 dots, while Sin doesn't have any. Sad and Dad, 1 dot. Ta and Dha, also 1 dot. Ain and Ghain, also. Then Fa and Qaf. Fa has 1 dot and Qaf has 2 dots. But as you see here, in when it is isolated or at the end, Qaf goes deeper. Yes. Then the rest are not similar to the previous ones. Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, and Ya. So I want you to repeat these letters until you memorize them in this order. When we learned them, we didn't learn in order. We didn't learn them in order. But now it's time for you to memorize them in order. Now let's read the following. Alif, look carefully. These are the names of the letters plus something else. Look carefully, please. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Dhal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ain, Ghain, Fa, Qaf, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon, Ha, Waw, Ya. And also the names of the signs. Look and read. ضمة, فتحة, كسرة, سكون, شدة, تنوين.